Me again. All right. Our next speaker is Noel Faris, is the president of Akamai Foundation and a lead member of the investor relations team for Akamai Technologies. Akamai Technologies is a leading provider of cloud services for delivering, optimizing, and securing online content. As a lead member of the investor relations team for Akamai Technologies, Noel plays the role of spokesperson for the company. As president of the Akamai Foundation, she works to promote excellence and innovation in math. The Akamai Foundation is a major sponsor of many wonderful mathematical opportunities for young women and men, including the USA Math Olympiad and the Math Olympiad Summer Program. The Akamai Foundation helped fund and send a team of 4 female mathematicians of school age to the European Girls Mathematical Olympiad. And we are deeply grateful to the Akamai Foundation for its support of the Advantage Testing Foundation Math Prize for Girls. Please welcome Noel Faris.
Good afternoon. I am so excited to be here on behalf of Akamai and the Akamai Foundation. For those of you who do not know what Akamai does, simply, we make the internet better. We make it fast, we make it reliable, and we make it secure. We have over 150,000 servers spread across the globe in 92 countries, and all of those servers are interconnected and provide somewhat of an overlay on the internet, making it work better. We deliver anywhere from 25 to 30% of internet traffic daily. Many of you probably use Akamai on a regular basis and don't even realize that you're using it. If you have watched your favorite TV show on a handheld device, downloaded your favorite Taylor Swift or Nicki Minaj song on your iDevice, purchased that super cute top from Abercrombie, updated your status on your favorite social media website, I wouldn't be surprised if some of you are doing that right now. But the internet, as it was originally designed, was not meant to do any of those things. It was meant to be a communication tool for very small electronic messages, similar to a tweet. It certainly was not meant to stream high-definition video during prime time hours to millions of viewers at the same time. That is a lot of traffic on a very small road. In the late 90s, when the internet was really starting to boom, it was becoming extremely congested. And the joke of the day was that it was being called the worldwide wait. So the congestion problem was brought to the thought leaders of MIT, who better to solve this congestion problem than some of the most brilliant math minds out there. Math is at the core of Akamai. Our network was built based on mathematical algorithms to solve the internet congestion problems. Those algorithms were the brainchild of MIT grad student Danny Lewin. Danny and his MIT math professor Tom Layton co-created and co-founded Akamai. But the algorithms aren't the only thing or the only math that we have going on behind the scenes. On any given day, we are constantly using key mathematical principles to make the internet better. We use statistics, we use modeling, coding, and we are constantly measuring and optimizing those routes between those 150,000 servers. Math is at the core of what we do at Akamai, and it is also core for many of today's cutting-edge jobs. Think of some of those cool careers out there: game developer, animator, forensic scientist, web designer, even fashion designer. They all are high-paying jobs with lots of perks and not a lot of people filling them. And they all have math as a foundation. Tom Layton and I were recently talking about the importance of the Akamai Foundation. And he said to me, "Noel, this country has its priorities out of whack. Look at all of the money that we spend on sports programs in our schools. Now, this in particular resonated with me. I personally have 3 children. My daughter actually is in the audience with me today. I spend thousands of dollars a year and a vast majority of my free time shuttling my children to sports activities, soccer, football, cheering, gymnastics, just to name a few. Actually, I probably should have had the title of limousine driver added to my earlier introduction. So let's think about that for a second. How many of those kids are going to become professional athletes? A small fraction. But Tom Leighton said, everyone can do math. If we put half as much effort and dollars towards educating students in math, it would have a profound impact on our lives. Math is core. It is a core component of invention and innovation. Think of the advancements we'd have in technology, computer, robotics, space exploration, flying cars, if we simply made math a priority. So when I was asked if I would take on the role as a foundation president, I jumped at the chance. I love being a key decision maker for an organization whose charter is to encourage kids in the field of mathematics. I get excited when I review programs that are geared towards creative and cool ways to make math more accessible, especially for girls. I wish I had stumbled upon a program like Math Prize for Girls when I was your age. Unfortunately for me, I lacked direction and mentorship. Early aptitude testing recommended that I become an engineer. But I didn't know any cool engineers. In fact, the only engineer that I knew at the time was my dad. And although I love him dearly, he was not the poster child for cool. So obsessed with being cool, I did not, in the end, pursue a career in engineering. And even though I love my job in investor relations, I do wonder, what if? What if I had pursued math? What if I had a computer science degree? So that is why I'm here today on this beautiful, sunny Saturday afternoon to tell you that there are so many cool things that you can do with math. It is at the core of some of the greatest careers out there. You are smart. You are cool. You will all do great things. Just stick with math. Thank you.